everybody, 80 Jackson 330 here, and today we're going to be unboxing the July Enchanted Ocean VillaBeautifful kit. So let's get started. So first up we have this month's papers. You get 2 specialty vellums this month. Here is the first and the second. And then you get 4 double-sided sheets of 8.5 by 11. And this is the last month that the papers will be included with the basic kit. From now on, if you want to have the paper, you can choose the add-on option whenever you're ordering your kits each month. And if not, don't worry, the digital papers will still be included in the email that gets sent out every month for subscribers. So plenty of options with that. You can print on cardstock, vellum, acetate, so many different designing options for those, and still being able to use all of these gorgeous patterns. Next up, we have the cards and stickers. Here is the smaller journaling card. It says, "She is a mermaid on dry land and the world is her ocean." It's a really pretty quote, and I love the elements that she chose for the background. And this larger card features an adorable seahorse with a bow on its head and a really pretty watercolor background. Next up, we have 3 large size sheets of stickers. We have some half boxes and quarter boxes. I love the clipboard stickers. Those are always one of my favorite features on her kits. Then we have some banner flags, my all-time favorite icons, circles and checklists. And these are the full boxes. Such a great color scheme. And the seahorses are just too cute. Next up, we have 4 mini-size sheets of stickers. Here are the half boxes, the deco, and I can't tell if my favorite piece is the seahorse with the bow or this little jar of mermaid tears. That's really cute. And then we have some headers and 2 versions of the date covers. So that is 7 sheets in total, and you can really make this kit last multiple weeks depending on if you like to do white space or no white space. You could probably stretch it out to do 3 weeks at a time with these. Alright, so inside, got all kinds of goodies, so let's dive into there and see what we have. Alright, first up out of the pouch we have this pack of sticky notes, and I am so in love with this watercolor ombre background that she chose for this and has been featured in the stickers and on the papers. It's just such a really pretty color combination, not to mention all of the beautiful details at the top from the different seashells and starfish. Next up is a new item to the VillaBeautifful kits. This is a foiled washi card, and it even has been punched at the bottom, so if you use rings or anything that just snaps in, you're set to go with those. And basically you just wrap samples of washi around it if you're not familiar with these, and it makes it easy to carry in your planner or in your pouches or your pockets or whatever it is you like to carry around, and just a lot easier than carrying around full rolls of washi. So really pretty foiling on here as well. Next up, we have this really beautiful set of paper clips or planner dangles, and this may be one of my favorite features of this particular kit just because these are so fantastic. I mean, look at how pretty those are. I love these charms that she chose. These are going to look so good hanging off the side of my planner, or maybe the top. I can't decide which way I like them better, honestly, so it's pretty great that it'll work however you want to do it. The top, the bottom, the side, wherever you want to stick it and have an extra little dangle charm. Go ahead and sit my pouch over here. Next up, we have the VillaBeautifful exclusive washi tapes. You get 2 rolls in this month's kit, both foiled. So the first roll is a standard size, and it features some really pretty purple florals with gold foiling. And the second roll is the skinny washi, and this has a scale print with gold foiling. And this could be used either way, really. I love the ones that you can turn either way. It just helps a lot with layering for those gorgeous layouts. And finally, the star of the show, this beautiful pin. I cannot get over how stunning, honestly, this pin is. It is such an amazing color combination. We have the teal barrel, and it shimmers. Can you guys see that? There's a shimmer on this. The gold hardware. It is a gel pen. Perfect weight, and let's get a close-up of this crystal shimmer. because I mean, this is just the perfect match for an underwater kit. I love this so much. And each pen comes with a refill. These are available in the shop as well. Oh my goodness, I could just stare at this all day. I cannot wait to add this into my pen cup and just, you know, sit at my desk staring at it and the rest of my VillaBeautifful pen collection. But make sure you are subscribed because the kits get limited exclusive pins that are not available in the shop unless there are very rarely leftovers, and those go very quickly. So subscribing or pre-ordering is the best way to get your hands on these beautiful pins. And that does it for this unboxing. Don't forget to check your emails because she even includes coordinating digital art and papers each month, so the designing possibilities are endless. You can also purchase a paper add-on if you want to do paper crafts, make dashboards, dividers, covers, or anything else like that. And I know that I said subscriber a few times in this video, but these kits are actually done by pre-order. And the great thing about that is that if you don't like a certain theme one month, you can skip and then pre-order the next kit that you do like. All the information about sign-ups, shipping dates, prices, all of that is available on the VillaBeautifful website, and I will link that below in the description. I have a bunch of other unboxings on my channel if you want to check those out for past kits, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!